All right. We got 3 rhythms happening in both of these new things. So the drums are set up to play what the full rhythm is, and then everything comes together. Here we go. 60 beats per minute. A new number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 2, 3, 4 and a 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3, 4. 1 and a 2, 3, 4 and a done. Alright, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check something on this page real quick. Yeah, so let's just keep on hitting the one repetition here. Feel like these are long enough progressions that we can just add in 1 repeat and we're all good. Here we go, twice through. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Throw that in if you want. I don't know, I just really wanted to do something like that all of a sudden. Sometimes you just gotta do that. Alright, back down to 60 for number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1. Ew, that was a horrible transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1. 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. 2 and a 3 and a 4, 1. 2, 3 and a 4 and a. Alright, let's go to 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Alright, 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, and repeat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, that's enough of that. So one thing to keep in mind for the improvisation practice this week, try sticking with just one track, definitely one that you like, and then take any of the licks that you do know and apply that to the key that you're in. So see if you can recognize what shape is being used. And now I have just been reminded that I needed to give you some scale stuff. That's right. Tell you what, I hope this is not going to make this video stupid long. I believe I have these condensed scale shapes somewhere in here. Come on, I gotta have it, gotta have it. I'm looking through the mode stuff right now, the scale stuff I have already made. Wait, is that it? That's it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ooh. No, that's a harmonic minor. Dang. I don't want harmonic minor yet. 1, page 2. Okay. Yes. I don't know why it's been split into 2 pages, but okay. Alright, so here's one. Whoops, I don't have that open. That looks ridiculous. Okay. There we go. So that's kind of what I was starting to work on last night. I'm going to send this over to you so you can try out these shapes. And then I need this page as well, which is taking a very long time to open. Why is it taking so long to open? There it is. Okay. Back to the first. There we go. Okay. And let me change that. So it's really just another way of looking at the same scale stuff. So you learned those 3 notes per string, right? So like look at that first scale shape. I'm going to play the one you know first. But now I'm going to stop at the same highest pitched note in that first scale shape. So that first scale shape here, 10th fret on the E string, the high E. Yeah, so 10th fret up there, that's where I'm going to stop. I'm going to start with the shape you know, but I'm going to stop on that high note, come back down, and then play the new shape so you can hear that it sounds the same. So it's just another way of looking at the fretboard. That D Dorian shape, the second one there, I do the same idea. I use the shape that you learned, stop on that 13th fret of the high E string, and then come back down, and then play this new shape. Basically it, like just another way of looking at the fretboard. So really this down here, that E Phrygian shape and the F Lydian, it's just a matter of either start on the E or you start on the F. And then the other page, I need to go back to the other one. So like right here, that B Locrian shape, it's the same as that C major scale shape. It's just a matter of either you start on the B here to make it B Locrian, or start on C to make it the C Ionian. So have this up when you try doing some improv. Try and just get familiar with the shapes. They're going to go up and down because this is going to tie into the whole pentatonic thing. So probably a good idea right now, since we're going to discuss pentatonics, start working on memorizing these shapes as well. And really, you only have 5 to learn, because again, you just throw that B down there, you got your B Locrian shape along with the C major scale shape. And then like the E Phrygian and F Lydian, that's like the same shape, you just cut one note off and you're there. So start going through those, try and apply that to the improvisation stuff. Tell you this, one thing that will help, I think, make things easier to start playing. So let's say you got your key of A minor backing track going on, just start with that one. Start with that because you'll be starting on the A note anyway. Can't go wrong with that. If you're starting in an A minor chord progression, starting with an A note to begin soloing, It's a pretty safe bet. The note will work well. Okay, so we'll start going into more detail with that when we meet up again. But yeah, so start kind of getting familiar with these new condensed scale shapes. And then licks that you already know from other solos, I want you to try putting it into this key. Maybe one of the licks you can think of is already in this key. But if you can do that, another thing you can do is like, well, write out the notes of the lick that you do know. And that can help you determine what key it's in. And if you're really stumped, well, just ask me. The internet might be able to tell you. But ask me, so like, here's the lick, or you can just send me the tab of the thing, and I'll tell you what it is. Yeah. All right. Any questions? Let me know, and I will see you again next week.